And here we are with the lights on. Of course it's daytime, so you can't see the effect of the lights. And well, I can film this equipment in the evening, but then I cannot play my music that loud, so I have to make a choice. So, and my choice is to let you hear the sound of this thing, and I think that's more important. So anyway, I clean this thing outside. I clean this thing behind the glass. I put some new bulbs inside it, and this is how it looks after the cleaning. But be aware, if you start cleaning these things, look what happened with me. I cleaned it so much that the power almost faded away, and the phone is also faded away. Lucky for me, I discovered this on time, so I didn't make the mistake with the rest of the lettering. Okay, so let me put it on speaker A. Okay, bass is flat, treble is flat, volume is out, balance, loudness is off, stereo is on, source is on, auto, and I have the level of the FM muting. This is the level, very nice. So you can make your own muting level, and of course it has its low and high filter I never use. So let's start this thing up. And I can tell you this thing sounds very nice. First I will play without the loudness.
Die wat ouder zijn, die weten dat Arlo Guthrie een oude country held was. Dat is inderdaad zijn oom. Morgenmiddag van 6 tot 7. Dan is het op 8.
Verslaggever Anke Truijen.
Ik zal ook de komende maanden...
Ze blijft voor altijd overeind, dat beloof ik jou, mijn liefste schat.
$50.000 als je dood bent. Want jij had een levensverzekering van 400.
Langer en voordeliger. Koop €20.
E agora nunca te veio falar que já matar e tão carne que já vender, a não saber que já sei muita coisa na Twitter, na Facebook, na tudo enquanto outros perguntam, boca dava morar lá assim, diante de Bela Vista.
Okay, I will put the loudness on and hear the difference.
Tinha mesmo um bocadinho de carne, para dizer que está na...
€10. Ja, je hoort het goed. Saris vanaf €10. Dan waren we het langer op.
Ik gelijk heb en dat het echte liefde is. Misschien wil hij haar alleen maar thuis hebben om haar een goede rondleiding langs alle hoeken van de kamer te geven. Je gunt het niemand, maar sommige mensen verdienen.
En als ik gas was, wou ik dat ik niet tevreden was. Als ik een buizerd was, dan zou ik muizen vangen.
I don't like you to work together.
Ik heb Marieke het land ingestuurd onder het mom. Vind het lekkere wijf voor 4:15. Roep het codewoord en win een iPad mini. En dat ging zo vandaag. Ze hebben samen de statistics? What do you have? Well, there's going to be a teenage boy on every back page tomorrow morning who was virtually unknown a couple of days ago. He's 19-year-old Ashton Agar, who just a few weeks ago was playing cricket for Henley, but was called up by the Australian national side.
Dus elk jaar kunnen die dingen zo'n 50 tot 100.000 euro per stuk opleveren, netto in het handje, subsidiegeld. Er zijn er heel veel waarbij gedacht wordt te plaatsen op Zuidoost-Vlakke. Daarom hebben wij ook 3MO opgericht, Megamon.
En dit was Neige, een track die je vindt op een jongste plaat. Schneidet ihr das gar nicht?
Ziemlich. Na, wir schon.
From Athens. You're listening to World Business Report from the BBC World Service. We'll spare a thought for negotiators now locked away.
Il y a une évolution de ce côté-là. Donc, il y en a.
Zoeker.
Well, my honest opinion from this receiver is that the radio is fantastic. The tuner is so strong. It really takes every station it takes like it is nothing. Of course, this is my cable antenna, but even with other tuners with my cable on, I have problems with reception sometimes, but this tuner really is tremendous strong. About the sound, I don't really like this sound. Okay, it's not a bad sound. It have that tubey sound, but I miss some mids and some yes, especially the mids, and the highs are okay. But let me try it one more time with a little bit more treble, and maybe that will change the sound. Let me try it out, because till now I tried on bass and treble on the middle with the loudness on. With the loudness off, I don't like the sound, so I put the loudness on, and now I try a little bit more treble and try it one more time.
Summer sale bij ons anders. Een complete Varifocus bril voor slechts €125. De leukste tussen zwemmen en zonnen? Dat is de vernieuwde denksport. De nieuwste, leukste...
Uitgeroepen.
Maken dan ook. Raponsje was erg ongelukkig.
Acties.
Mas como herói. Por exemplo,
Elke dag kwam de prins op bezoek en al gauw werden ze verliefd op elkaar.
Maar liefst.
Betalen voor mijn advertentie.
Doe het snel.
De nieuwe Opel M. Beter.
Ich bring dich schon noch auf Tour. Komm, wach auf und tanz mit mir.
Alive. The day of regret, the day that I met you, you got me upset inside.
How this is going to work.
Say that them smoke a little spliff and then them thought it's...
This is very nice. Look at this. This tuning knob is very sensitive, but I'm used to that of Akai. Look at this. Only one spin, yes. That's very nice. I like these sensitive dial pointers. So as you can see, my signal is back. Yes, you can see it's moving now, so that's a good sign. And it was an easy job, but I didn't film it because the thing is, the wire is there below. Yes, It comes from this wire, the white wire, and if I touch this wire from the tuning scale, I have a big problem, and that's why I didn't film it for you guys. Sorry, this time I had to concentrate on soldering this wire, because if you make one mistake I have a big problem. So this is the inside of the amplifier, and for a 2x30 watt it have a pretty big trafo. As you can see, trafo is not a small one, and these are the two filter caps. I don't know which value they have, I cannot read it from this side. Maybe from here I can read it. No, I can't read it, but they are pretty big for a 2x30 watt amplifier. So the inside of the receiver look like this. Here we have the tuner board, and the tuner board looks pretty clean, not too much dust. It seems like it don't have dust at all. And if we go back to the amplifier board, it's full with dust. As you can see here between the transistors, full with dusts. Also here, but that's of course because on this side of the receiver there are two openings for the cooling, so dust have a place to come in, and on this side the thing is completely closed, so that would make the difference. So here we have the switches and the pot meters. Yes, it's all very close to each other. You can just, if you see this switch here below, watch it, see it moving? So you can clean all the pot meters and switches from above. Don't have to take away the bottom side to clean them. Very nice. You can see here the pot meter for the bus, and next to it here in the corner is the treble. So you can reach all the pot meters and the switches if you need to clean them. Very nice.